Hi everyone. First, I would like to thank the trainers and also for the Secretariat for choosing me to present my rate. I am Zulnaidi bin Yaakob from University Science Malaysia, and the name of my project or my rate project is Purple Rise 2026. Why I choose this title? Purple is official color of my university. So through this name of the project, I would like to deliver message to my people that we do this for the benefit of our university, our institution. And I would like to instill spirit in them when we need to execute this project in 2026. And I choose Purple Rise as a name for this project because I would like to share message with them that through this project, we're going to achieve higher position, or we're going to be stronger in 2026. And as a motto, I choose rebuilding momentum, reimagining ODL, open distance learning, and also redefining our future. The starting point for this rate is based on SWOT analysis, where we have learned this through these courses and also this class. So the main research problem, with my institution is declining of intake. So I need to find solution on how we can recover this situation. Therefore, this rate aim to target this issue. This rate has 5 targets, and in relation to this target, I have also listed the outcome of this rate. First, through this rate, we aim to achieve a stronger and more effective marketing team. So as a result, we're going to establish a strategic marketing team, which is with higher performance, where they're going to have a clear functions, KPI, and deliverable. Second, through this rate, we aim to increase the number of potential students as well as registered new students. Hopefully, we're going to achieve 10% increment yearly. Third, we're going to introduce 2 new academic programs. Through this new academic program, we offer a new product, and with this new product, we hope that it's going to offer more opportunity for students to register as students in my institution, in which we have impact on the total number of intake. Okay. Fourth, we're going to maximize collaboration with our alumni and existing students and strategic partners. As a result, we expect that we're going to have 20 students as an ambassador, 2 new strategic partners, as well as we're going to recruit, as well as we're going to create 30 new student testimonial, and we're going to put this video on our media social. The last one, we're going to use our media social more aggressively, where we hope that through this initiative, we're going to achieve 20% growth in followers and engagement on our media social. How are we going to achieve this? Do we have input for this? Yes. For each strategy, for each target that we're going to achieve, we have inputs. We have committed dean, committed leadership, committed management team. We have existing marketing staff. We have budget allocated for this. We have a good alumni network. Current student, we have more than 4,000 current students. We have a very committed partners. We have ability to design new program, and we have media social platform, but we need to intensify the use of our media, of our social media platform. So these are the activities that we need to do in next year. We're going to restructure our marketing team. We're going to conduct more targeted digital campaign. We're going to develop new academic program. We're going to engage more with our alumni, student, and also partner. We're going to develop new academic program again, and also we're going to enhance the use of our social media. As an output, we're going to have high-performing marketing team. We're going to have more strategic ways of doing marketing. we're going to recruit 30 students to provide testimonial videos. We're going to recruit 20 students as ambassador, and we're going to have 2 new strategic partners. New program will be established, and also we hope that we are able to increase 20% of followers and engagement on our social media. So this is our plan for next year. From January to December, each project and activity will be planned accordingly throughout the year. So this is how we're going to measure before REAP and after REAP based on this dimension. We're going to measure performance in terms of marketing team, student recruitment, academic program, visibility, alumni engagement, digital presence, partnership, organizational culture, and also overall performance. So by having this, we're going to evaluate whether our REAP or my REAP is effective, successful, or not. Lastly, I acknowledge in every project, including this REAP, we're going to have risks. So these are the risks that these are the risks that are related to this project, and how we're going to, or I'm going to mitigate this risk through few strategies. Thank you for this presentation.